When time is up and the sun it dies, till the rivers flood and the ocean dries, hand in hand under the falling sky.
Yan yung unang namin, yung hello kuya. Yan yung unang sinabi niya sa akin. Nung una, ayoko siya replyan kasi hindi ako interesado pag-message and so on. Then tinanong ko yung kapatid ko, sabi niya, why not? Try mo lang. Then doon na nag-start yung story.
So many say, and it's all a lie. But
Hello, Kuya. Those were the first words I ever said to you. Naalala mo? Who would have thought that one simple Facebook message would lead us here today? Honestly, I wasn't looking for love. Curious lang talaga ako sa'yo. I just wanted to know who you are.
money spent, and everything else fades away. You are my constant.
In many forms and in many other ways. Painted as a team, used as a story. That's why we have love stories in novels and in movies and even in songs. And that is the primary reason why two of you right now is in front of the altar of God and also in front of your friends, your parents, and your relatives. Love is the main reason.
Make it through the day and give me the reason to better all my ways. The beauty goes, the money spent, everything else fades away. You are my kind.
Advice ko sa'yo, pagka nagkaanak na kayo, palakihin niyo ng mabuti.
You are my
Tulad ng
kind.
pagpapalaki namin sa'yo na. Dito kami para sa'yo.
Dito kami para sa'yo.
Thank you, Mama and Papa, sa pagmamahal niyo sa akin. Pasensya na sa mga pagkukulang ko. Minsan maldita ako. Pero alam niyo, mahal na mahal ko kayo at hindi ko kayo papabayaan kahit magkaroon ako ng pamilya.
Giselle, you take Bon here present for your lawful husband, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church.
Time is up
Yes,
and
I
the
do.
sun it dies, till the rivers flood and the ocean dries, hand in hand under the falling sky. I will love you.
Nas, I'm very happy that you're always settled and to make a family. And I hope you're happy too.
Thank you, I love you.
I love you.
My dear son, I've waited 16 years for this,
Yeah.
right? And now finally the day has come. Enjoy yourself and remember your vows,
Thank you.
okay? And I know you'll keep to them anyway. So I know you're faithful. And I love you as my son,
Thank you, Dad.
okay?
Yeah.
God bless.
Give you my name if you wanted to. Key to my heart if you wanted to.
Seafarer ako, so kailangan ko umalis ng umalis. Pero hindi ko ramdam na nasa malayo siya. Ayun, nasa malayo ako kasi lagi niya akong everyday nagme-message siya, hindi ako nagre-reply. Yung nararamdaman ko na, alam mo yun, siya na yung tao na, siya yung nagparamdam sa akin yung matagal ko nang hinahanap. Yung taong nagki-care na feeling ko nag-i-exist ako. And yun na yung moment na sabi ko, oh, siya na. Papakasalan ko. Hindi ko to papakawalan.
Everything you like, is it obvious that
As time went by, I found myself admiring you more and more. Until one day, I decided to surprise you at the airport. I'll never forget that moment. It was our first time meeting in person and you welcomed me with the warmest hug.
Pagdating ko sa airport, nagulat ako, may banner. Welcome home. Sabi ko, ano ito? Pagtingin yung gano'n, nagulat ako. So ayun, napaluha ako, tapos binagsak ko yung bag ko, wala nang pakialam. Niyakap ko siya.
I'll share the last bite of every meal. I'll wipe your tears when you gain your feels.
Love is not based on feeling, but the everyday decision and commitment and covenant that you promise. Then that would be lasting. We do hope that you would share this momentous event in their lives with joy and with prayer. Amen.
3 years and 6 whole months since I saw your face that
Mahigit 8 taon na ang lumipas. Ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo ay hindi pa din kumukupas. At sa bawat araw ay mas lalo kong napatunayan na ikaw ang tangi kong gustong makasama habang
With you and it's heaven. Ain't an hour that rolls by. I love you 24/7, 365. I love you 24/7, 365. Now it's 4 in the morning, sunset.
Mamahalin kita ng
7
buong
minutes
puso
with you and it's
at sasamahan kita sa
heaven.
bawat
Ain't an
saya
hour that rolls
bawat
by. I
pagsubok na
love you
darating.
24/7,
Maraming salamat sa
365.
pagpili sa akin.
You had a really long journey together. May God bless your marriage, bro. Tsaka nice sideburns.
It's like running through an open door. It's like finding what you're looking for. We've been waiting. We won't wait no more. Every season, every memory made, all the dreaming. Let us here today. Can you see it?
Thank you for saying yes when we asked you to be part of our wedding. It truly means so much to us. Having you beside us is one of the biggest days of our lives, make our celebration even more special.
Sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga lahat. So, thank you. Thank you. And I hope na mag-enjoy tayong lahat.
The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to. The best is yet to come.
So, today, I'm choosing you. And tomorrow, I'll choose you again. And every day after that, I love you.
Love you.